Hey guys, also Scarlet the Burnout here. Welcome back to a brand new question video. So today, yes, I have Gadget here with me today. As you can see, doing his cuddling thing again. Gadget, I know I love you too, but yeah, today I'll be asking you guys another albino animal related question. So let's get started. Okay, which albino animal do you guys think look very beautiful? Is it the albino peacock bird or the albino red panda? If you guys don't know what these albino animals look like, then make sure to go to my YouTube channel and look at today's thumbnail and let me know which albino animal you guys think is very beautiful. If you guys do know these albino animals, then make sure to put your answers in the comments down below. But just in case if the comments are turned off because of YouTube and Copa, as usual, and like always, non-stop, 24/7, each and every day, so annoying, gets me mad, because every time, whenever I download a video, YouTube and Copa think it's so funny just to turn off the comments every time I make a video. Like, it's rude, it's mean, it's not fair. They did it without my permission. It also makes me sad because I don't know what your guys' answers are if the comments keep getting turned off every time. Like, YouTube is supposed to be free and everything to make videos of what you want and make comments. Make good comments in the comments down below. And again, it's not fair because if this keeps going up, I'm gonna have to give YouTube and Copa both a 1.5 star review online, and nobody likes to get a 1.5 star review online. So Copa, can you please stop turning off the comments every time I make a video? Please and thank you. It would make me very happy. So, if the comments do tend to turn off, then make sure to go to one of these 4 links in the description down below, or go to Discord to answer his question. I will always be putting my Discord name in the description down below as all times. Just in case if you guys are new to my channel, want to friend chat with me, answer his question, or want to see more videos of my cute cats, however you guys like. I'm not forcing you, but just in case you guys want to, it's your choice. No pressure or anything. But if you guys don't have one of these websites or apps, then make sure to do these few steps first. Step 1, download them first. Step 2, get everything situated, like your profile, your name, your info, your everything. Then step 3, you guys can answer his question. But if you guys aren't able to download these apps, make sure to click the links that are in the description down below, just so it could be a little bit faster and easier for you guys. Again, I'm not forcing you, but just in case you guys want to, it's your choice. No pressure or anything. So, if you guys want to see more videos with Gadget, Gizmo, or Alexa, then make sure to hit the like button, go subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications, And don't forget to click on this icon to go to my question playlist to watch my previous videos in case if you guys are new to my channel or if this is your first time seeing my cute cats on my channel. So anyways, me and Gadget have to get going. You guys are awesome. We love you all. And see you guys next time. Bye.